In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in a GitHub repository. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First, you want to head over to github.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, steer your way to the specific repository where you want to add that new folder. This is where all your project files are stored, and adding organization is key to keeping things tidy and manageable. Once you're in your repository, take a look towards the top of the file list. You should see a button labeled Add File. Go ahead and click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Create New File. It might seem a little counterintuitive since we're making a folder, but this is how we'll get started. Now you'll notice a field that prompts you to name your file. This is where the magic begins. In that field, type the name you want for your folder. Then here's the crucial part. Immediately after your folder name, you need to add a / like this, my folder /. What's interesting is that when you do this, GitHub recognizes it as a directory instead of just a regular file. It's a neat trick that makes folder creation a breeze. However, there's one little caveat with GitHub. It doesn't allow you to create completely empty folders. So we need to create a file inside that new folder. Simply type a file name right after the /. A good example is naming it readme.md, or you could go with .gitkeep. Both of these are commonly used files that help maintain the folder's presence, and they are perfect for our needs here. Once you've named your file appropriately, it's time to solidify your changes. Look for the Commit Changes button, which is located at the top right of the page. Click that button, and you'll see a pop-up window. This is your chance to confirm the changes you're about to make. Just go ahead and click Commit Changes again in that pop-up. And voila! You've officially created a folder in your GitHub repository. To review what we've just done, we navigated to our repository on GitHub, used the Add File feature to create a new file, strategically named that file with a / to create a folder, and then committed our changes by creating a placeholder file inside it. Simple, right? The ability to organize your projects with folders in GitHub is a game changer, especially as your repository grows and you start adding more files and collaborating with others. If you have any questions about this process, or if there's something more you want to learn about GitHub, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to help out. Thanks for watching, and happy coding. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think might